The channel, click the subscribe button and join the family. Bro, they are listening to country rap. Hear this. That sound like young NBA.
Yeah.
I don't know who that is, but yo, bruh, just follow the tunes, guys. Oh, I'm teleporting again? Well, I look rough. But teleporting with the subway, I bet. I'm gonna vlog with it, hiking. I ain't never did this before, man. So this is new to me, you feel me? But nah, I guess it's supposed to be some type of waterfall over here. I don't know. I mean, if y'all wanna see how the waterfall looking and stuff, y'all just gotta subscribe. Hold on, wait, look. Oh, look at the waterfall, bruh. Yeah, that's tough. That's valid. Bro, we not used to this type of stuff, man. That look mad cool.
We'll find more today on the app.
More?
More trails with waterfalls in them.
Alright, I'm gonna change the angle so y'all can see a better view. Bro, that's crazy. We got them over there fishing, man. I'm gonna hold a tight grip onto it. Yo. You ready for the vlog?
Yeah.
You ready? Oh, we going crazy. Wow, man. Crazy. Yo, I don't think these are the shoes for hiking, now that I think, bruh. Bro, I'm out here with a white tank top on, my book bag, you know, Supreme Weemy, and literally some Yeezys on hiking. And then she got on some short shorts, some Vans, and a tie-dye blue shirt, like she had summer camp.
At least I'm prepared.
Nah, bro, this look crazy. Whoa. Yo, that's crazy, bruh. It looks mad cool. But I'm gonna turn the angle around so y'all can see like the view as we're walking. Whoa. Bro, this camera is crazy.
I'm so excited.
Look at the waterfall, bruh. I can't mess with you. Bro, this is probably like 1,000 years old. This looks like Star Wars.
What?
This stuff right here, these walls, they look like Star Wars. Oh my God. Time to go swimming. Oh my God, bro. Look at that. Yo. Hold on, bruh. We are mad close. Look at this, bro. Look how close we are. I'm finna go touch it. Hold on, bruh. Y'all coming along with us, boy. Bro, look at that. Oh, shit. Yo. Boy, I'm finna turn. Don't touch it. Do not touch it.
Why?
If you fall in, it's over.
I could swim. My phone's waterproof.
Chill. Chill. You wildin'. You see?
I swear to God, look.
Oh, those aren't fish. Those are tadpoles.
Those are gross.
Yeah. Oh, nah, boy. Ew. You touch it? Let me see. Hold on, wait. Step back. You know you're too small. Too small. I'm gonna touch it. Oh, touch it. Nah, this mad cool though. You see niggas fishing, it's good vibes everywhere. Feel me? Good vibes everywhere. That's mad cool though. I've never seen that before.
With that iPhone 11 photo. Hold on.
I've never seen that before. Never seen that. It's cool, boy. It look like Jurassic Park. Low key, bro. Low key, I may just wrap up this vlog right here. And yeah, pretty much. Yo, but I'm gonna have another video too. It's a mukbang. 3 videos in one day, baby. Before we sign out, What?
Nothing.
Nah, this low-key type valid, though. This is low-key type valid. I need a shape up, bro.
They're illegal to catch.
They're legal?
Yeah,
Okay.
to catch one, you gotta put it away.
All right, so before they sign out, what should they do?
Subscribe, like, and comment.
Bow.